Greetings everyone. In this episode, we would like to introduce the other half to our technology department, Student Information Services, also known as the SIS Team.
Hi, I'm Judy Hsu, SIS Coordinator. Hope everyone has a great year.
Hi, I'm Marina Alvarez. Hope you have a wonderful year.
Hi, my name is Maria Godinez, and I'm a SIS Specialist. Have a wonderful year.
Hi, I'm Jean Eklund. I am part of the Summer Help registering children for the school year. Hope you have a great school year.
Hi, my name is Dora Colino. Have a great school year.
Hi, I'm Monica Stampnick. I work at the front desk at the Corps and do registrations. We're off with a bang and have a wonderful school year.
Hey everybody, my name is Aaron Knopf. I'm the Director of Student Information Services, otherwise known as SIS. We are here to serve you and help you in any way we can. We hope you have a great year.
Here is a time-saving tip if you are working in Synergy. A new feature this year is the ability to share a location. You can send another person right to the screen you are looking at by clicking Share Location in the top right corner. Click Copy to Clipboard. Then compose a new email and paste in the link. When the recipient receives the link, they are taken right to the screen where you can collaborate and have further discussion. Be on the lookout for more tips and tricks from our SIS team throughout the school year.
Chromebooks have been offline for quite some time, so it's crucial that they are opened up and given several days to allow updates to install. Sometimes this could take a few days to a week. Updates may be found by going to Settings, Help, About Google Chrome, then clicking Check for Updates. One final and very important update. The plan is to reset all student passwords grade pre-K through 8th grade back to the original default format. The reset is scheduled to take place today, which is the day right before school starts. So teachers, if you have students reporting a password issue, please have them use this default format, capital CL, and their 8-digit date of birth. Students have the ability to change their password should any issues arise by using the link under the D47 bookmarks. That is all we have for today. Welcome aboard to our new staff members. Day 1 of the 2022-23 is tomorrow. Get ready everyone. We hope that you have a great start to the school year. See you again soon.